As cities continue to grow, the transportation networks become a bigger and complex challenge in need of an upgrade. For many of today's citizens, mobility can mean stress, congestion, and delays. So, what could the future of urban mobility look like? Sustainable transportation in a new post-carbon society must be shared and electric. In order to accomplish this, a transportation center is proposed, understanding mobility as an integrated service. The project takes place at the Kievsky railway station, so the trains are also part of the system, allowing to cover short, middle, and long distances. The cars and motorcycles will be located in a parking tower that will be equipped with charging points. Under the vault, beside the platforms, a bicycle and scooter parking takes place, generating a space of mixed mobility. The energy to charge the vehicles will be obtained by the prototype proposed, which consists of a pavement capable of transforming mechanical energy produced by pedestrians into electrical energy, thanks to the piezoelectric phenomenon. The prototype will be located at the main entrance of the station, an indoor square, as well as on the arrival and departure platforms, these being the points of greatest transit. In addition to the mobility center, a hot springs and a shared stay is proposed. The south wing of the neoclassical building is empty for the hot springs. The program is developed from the thermal circuit, understood as a sequence spaces that occur through a path. The different rooms vary their levels given the topography of the pools, flooding the spaces and respecting the zero level of the current building. The shared stays are located on the top of the south wing.
They are developed from a flexible module that allows to generate